Hi, PM Didner here. I'll be doing a 6-hour workshop in Columbus, Ohio at Interact on April 9th. The name of the workshop is called Sales and Marketing Alignment as Easy as 1, 2, 3. Obviously, we all know it's very hard and challenging to support sales as a marketer. However, the as easy as 1, 2, 3 comes from a series of worksheets and templates I will be sharing and also guiding you through so you can better understand your sales team's needs and use the templates to drive productive conversations with them. In addition, I'll be giving away 3 books. I will even tell you what chapters you need to read based on your roles and responsibility. How easy is that? So check out the workshop in details at Interact's website. Register, come to the workshop, Columbus, Ohio, April 9th, Interact. It is time to take your collaboration and your leadership to the next level with your sales team. I hope to see you there. Thanks a lot. Bye.